Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to use the Hinge dating app. To start, create an authentic profile with detailed answers to prompts that showcase your personality. Now choose your photos wisely, ensuring they reflect who you truly are and spark conversation. Engage with prompts by liking or commenting on specific parts of someone's profile that stand out to you. Here, send thoughtful messages that show you're interested in more than just looks and ask questions based on their profile. Use the We Met feature to give feedback and improve your matches based on your experiences. Activate the Standouts feature to prioritize the most interesting profiles and get more visibility. Stay consistent with your activity and respond quickly to maintain engagement. Be genuine and respectful when interacting, and avoid using generic or cliched openers. Upgrade to Hinge Preferred if you want additional features like filters for more control over your matches. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.